Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm just gonna adjust the camera. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna make face masks today because of coronavirus. We're gonna make face masks today. Flippable face mask, by the way. So you can just buy a face mask or make one. I'm not gonna make this face mask. Let's just get into the making. So guys, these are the materials. You need cloth, cloth, some measuring tape, a pin, a garter. That's all you need. And you can have lampion if you don't have these kinds, the filter cloth, so you can have lampion. So you need a curved needle too, I forgot, and a thread and pins so you can sew. So guys, we're starting now and my mom is measuring things to make the face mask. So let's just time lapse. So guys, we will measure the lampion or filter cloth. We will measure it to 6 inches. The two sides. And 9 inches in the center. Still 6 inches. So guys, we're gonna take the next cloth and we're gonna do it again. So guys, we cut two of the cloth. We copied these and we're gonna stitch it. So guys, she's gonna fold it and these are two layers, the lampion and the cloth. So here's another cloth and we're gonna stitch it together so we can flip it side to side. You do it back stitch and we have the needle. So guys, we're making progress, and if we flip this, it's done. So we're gonna stitch the other one when this is done. So yeah. So guys, the other cloth is done, and if you flip it, it looks like a real mask now. So if we stitch this to the other cottony things, it will be flippable. So guys, the the done, and if you flip this, it can be a mask now. So if you flip that like that, if you flip it on the side, it's inevitable.
I am inevitable.
So now it's done, and I think we're just gonna put a garter and sew it. So guys, this is what it looks like, and it's almost done. Just a few changes and we're done. So guys, the garter's width is 1 centimeter, and so cut it in 3 parts so that it will become more elastic and thin. So guys, the length is 10 inches. So this is 10 inches, and cut it in 3 layers. So guys, we're gonna stitch the garter and fold half an inch or an inch inside of it, and you can stitch it now. So guys, the mask is done. So yeah, it's done. So let's try it out. So guys, we're done. I know I've changed my shirt because I was sweaty there because it took a long time. So here's the mask. And first, I forgot to say this in the first clip. Wash your hands. Yeah, I forgot to say that. And please wash your hands before doing this. Please wash your hands for 20 seconds or 40 or more, and drink water all the time to get hydrated.
Yeah.
So buy vegetables and buy some vitamin C gummies, I think, in your pharmacies, and make sure to subscribe. And here's the mask. Let's try to fit it in. Okay, I can breathe well. I can breathe well in here. So I hope you can make your own face mask, and please subscribe and turn on the notifications to get you notified for more videos. Peace out. So buy some gummies or fruits in pharmacies. So yeah, please subscribe and get vitamin C too. But I don't know how do you get vitamin C because your stores are all closed.